Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Herald Online. Today we are going to start lesson 4. In lesson 4 we will study about del operator, gradient of a scalar quantity, divergence of a vector quantity, curl of a vector quantity. Then we will study about the divergence theorem, Stokes theorem, and at last we will study about the Laplacian operator. So let's begin our chapter. Operator. How it is denoted? It is denoted by delta. ओके इसको हम डेल्टा से डिनोट करते हैं. ऑपरेटर. How it is denoted? It is denoted by delta. ओके इसको हम डेल्टा से डिनोट करते हैं. So it is denoted by delta in Cartesian coordinate system. First one, in Cartesian coordinate system, delta is given as del upon dx ax plus del upon dy ay plus del upon del z az. So this is the delta in the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. Now we write it for the other, that is cylindrical coordinate system. In cylindrical coordinate system, the delta is given as in cylindrical coordinate system, delta is given as del upon del rho a rho plus 1 upon rho del upon del phi a phi plus del upon del z az. So this is the del delta or the del operator in case of the cylindrical coordinate system. In spherical coordinate system, delta is given as del upon del r ar plus 1 upon r del upon del phi a phi plus 1 upon del upon del theta a theta plus 1 upon r sin theta del upon del phi a phi. So this is how we define delta in a different coordinate system. Okay. Actually, what does the delta operator denote? It is a differential vector operator. It is a differential vector operator. What is it? It is a differential vector operator. तो इसका काम क्या है? When this operator will operate on any scalar quantity, a vector will get generated. Okay. when this delta operator operates on any scalar quantity, vector get generated. That is why it is known as the vector get generated. That is why we are calling it a differential vector operator. So what are the use of this delta operator? It may use to calculate the gradient of any scalar quantity, divergence of any vector quantity, curl of any vector quantity, or the Laplacian of any vector or a scalar quantity. तो हम इस डेल्टा ऑपरेटर को कहाँ यूज करेंगे? इसको हम ग्रेडियंट फाइंड करने के लिए यूज करेंगे. Gradient, which is denoted as delta V, where V is any scalar quantity. Second one, divergence calculate करने के लिए करेंगे. For calculating divergence, which is denoted as del dot A, you can say, where A is any vector quantity. Third one, we will calculate curl by using this operator, which is denoted as del cross A, where A is a vector quantity. And the fourth one is for calculating Laplacian, which is denoted as del square V.